everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go to TikTok shop. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, all you gotta do is simply first of all access your particular TikTok app on your phone. And the thing that you have to make sure is that you have to check whether your app is updated or not, because this is simply a new feature. If in case you're not being able to access it, you have to make sure whether your app is updated or not. So we're gonna go simply type in TikTok and see. Right, so let's see, our app needs an update. Now go ahead, tap on this update option and wait till updates. Once the TikTok app is updated, tap on this option of open. This is how it's gonna look like, right? Now right over here you will be able to find this little shop icon in the bottom for you to tap on it and simply start browsing through the affiliate accounts of the shops and shop the products. If in case you're not being able to find, you have to go to your profile and make sure that you have the settings on. Tap on settings and privacy, and you have to simply turn your account to the creators account. You can see switch to business account. Make sure you have switched it and created that. Now you're going to go back again, tap on three horizontal icon, tap on create a tool, and here also you will be able to access this option of shop as well. The thing is, it's not available in all of the countries. That's why you're not being able to access that particular option, that might be the reason. So make sure to keep on updating and you will be able to get that option right over there. So hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.